Women's Month to everyone. Thank you for attending our continuing advocacy in Verde Creatives. I commit and I pledge for personally to continue my advocacy, being a trans woman myself and being in the LGBT movement for the past 2 decades. It is my small square share of commitment in our fight for equality. So, we gathered here today, our dear friends and students from UP, Ateneo, and of course, two organizations, as always I say, Ladlad Partners and of course, STRAP, the pioneer and the only transgender organization who have started it all, historically, factually, the movement for transgender rights in the Philippines. Since it's Women's Month, I've decided to come up with this forum and present to you one documentary about me, but please don't focus on my story, but rather on the inclusion and the visibility ng isang trans Pinay sa usapin ng pagiging babae. Tinanong ko ako sa mga kaputan kong eskalali ko nakaraang linggo for Women's Month na lalo-lalo bang feminista kung bakit kasali daw ang mga trans women sa Women's Month. Since hindi naman kami nagkakaanak at hindi naman kami biological woman. I go back to Simone de Beauvoir, di ba? Ang sabi niya, one becomes a woman. One is not born a woman, but one becomes a woman. So like me, I was born male, transitioned as female, and I became a woman all throughout my journey. At sa lahat ng babae, hindi naman pinanganak at biological, ay babae na po sila. At alam nila yung laban at hirap ng pagiging babae. At nagiging babae lamang sila kapag sila na po ay nakapanood doon sa laban na yun. And I always throw back the question to other trans feminine or feminist groups. How about biological women who opt not to have children and biological women who cannot bear a child? Diba? Paano naman sila? Does that make them lesser of a woman? Maganda pong tanong yan mamaya sa mga panelists natin, lalo na po sa mga kabaro mo sa Society of Transsexual Women in the Philippines. So, yan po yung iiwanan pong tanong. And again, to the Bloggers Media, maraming salamat. I thank my friend Athena Golodumara for supporting this event, and Senator Lauren Legarda, who just called me yesterday, supported this event for Verde. Maraming salamat at sa lahat ng uri ng babae, Happy Women's Month.